Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about instance and class variables in Ruby. And today we will going to learn what is constants in Ruby. Any variable that start with capital A to Z that will be considered as constant in Ruby. So this is the main priority thing that we need to consider, that we cannot define any constant with lowercase value. Here you can see an example that I have created one constant variable that contains A to Z that are all in uppercase. Also, if we are having class level constant, then we can use that constant by double colon, that we can technically termed as a scope resolution operator. So by using that scope resolution operator, we also can use constant of different class as well. Here in example, we can see I have created one class customer, and in that class I have created one constant variable name and given a value that is learn1. In next lecture, we will learn about data types in Ruby.